Greetings to everyone on my daily disaster news channel. The information in the video shows an incident on the 9th of January 2023 in Salamanca, Spain. Heavy rain during the day begins to affect traffic at various points on the road of the municipalities. The situation is most alarming on the highways where the traffic is closed from Arevalo junction to the capital Abadengo. The highways are also very dangerous to drive as they have puddles of water, so extreme caution and slowing down are advised. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.